Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Salesforce Treasures. In this video, we are going to build an app. In Journey to Salesforce, we are still in Trail Mix 1. We had completed the badges and we are in a stage where we can build a data model. As I told you, data modeling, like creating an object, fields, relationships, with the different types of data types is the most important to become a Salesforce administrator. With how much of a knowledge we have still now, Salesforce has given us an opportunity to build a data model for a recruiting app. So let's begin. So let's begin our project. In this we have 5 subunits: create a custom object reviews, create a custom object job posting sites, create a custom junction object for job postings, create a self relationship with position object, and create a custom recruiting field. We will go to our first uh, subunit and we will see what we have. Okay, you'll be completing this project in your hands on. Okay, we'll just launch it. We have to complete whatever it is given upside. So here we are given with a 14 digits package ID from which we have to install a package. So I'll show you how to install a package. Installation of the package is just like installing an app from the Play Store. You have to go to the app launcher. This is called as the app launcher. You can click here. You can go for Playground Starter. After going to Playground Starter, you'll get an install package here. Click on that, select and paste the 14-digit code there. Ensure that there is no space in the starting, because sometimes during copy paste you will have a space in between which will lead to an error. So check that and click on install. We have to install it only for admins, so install only for admins and install, and done. We are done with the installation. Click on done. Next we have a challenge to create a review custom object. As I told you, object is a type of spreadsheet when it comes to lame language. We will go and create the custom object, create custom object, then label, and the label is review and the plural name is reviews. So I'll just copy that and paste it in the create custom object place, and paste it here. For plural label it's reviews, and we'll go down. We have a review name, but we have to create a review number. So I'll just copy the review number and I'll paste it in the record name, and the data type will be auto number, and the format is given like rev flower brackets with 0000 inside it. So I'll just copy that and paste with the starting number as 1. Okay, and I'll just check whether any other information is given. So yeah, allow reports and track field history is given, so I'll just check the checkbox which is given there, and then deployed, allow search, add notes and attachments. Okay, deployed, it is already clicked. Allow search and add notes and attachments, and save. I'm just checking whether we are left out with some other minute information, because again later if we get any info like error, it will be a problem for us. So like it is creating an app, so we should be careful from the 0 till the end, so that it would not affect us in later stages. And when it comes to allow reports and track field history, allow search, allow activities, I'll just create a playlist, administration playlist, which contains each and every minute information about every settings which is present during the creation of objects, tabs, apps and everything. So just I assure you that it will be released in some few days or few months maybe. So still then, hope you wait for us, and please subscribe to our channel and go through this videos which is present here. I'll just save this custom object creation, and as usual, I'll launch new tab. Like tab is the setting, like in WhatsApp we have chat status and the calls, so that is called our tabs. In Salesforce also we can create a tabs by launching the new tab. For now I'll just save it, and there we have created our review custom object and verify. We'll just see whether we are right or wrong. Yes, we are completed with our first subunit, and we'll go to our second subunit. And coming to the second subunit, we have to create an object called for job posting sites. So let's begin. We have to create a custom object named job posting site. I'll copy this. Job posting sites for plural name. Record name should be in the data type of text, and site name. Okay, I'll just cross this one so that will not have any server issues. I'll launch fresh. After launching fresh, I'll come back to the top and now click on setup. I'll just increase the size, set up, and object manager, create custom object, job posting sites paste, job posting sites. I'll just again paste it with S in the side. Job posting name, okay, it's only site name is required, job posting name is not required. Text optional features: allow reports, allow field tracking history, deployed, allow search, attach, add notes and attachments, launch. Okay, allow reports, like as I told you in the previous I mean in the previous challenge. Deployed, allow search, I have to have attachments and notes. Launch new tab, like I've told you the example of tab also. WhatsApp is the best example for tabs, like chats, status, calls are a particular type of the tabs. And for this we are given a job posting site, so we can give the tab style as street sign or something like that. We can give any tab style irrespective of the connection. And any changes we have to do? No, we have to, everything we have to leave as it is, like default settings should be the same, and we have to go for next, next, and save. And what we have next, okay, I guess we have to have some changes there. So I'll go to edit again, job posting site. Okay, this is the edit of uh, job object manager. So I'll just go to tabs here so that we can edit the tab and have all the required changes. Go for tabs. We had created a job posting tabs. We have to click on that. We have to edit. Okay, I guess we cannot edit, so I'll just click on tab again. I'll delete job postings. Okay, I'll create a new one, job posting site, and it should be real estate sign, real estate sign. Next, we have to leave the profile settings as it is. Go for next. We have to remove the include tab, and we have to select only append tab users. Okay, if this is in the end, append, it is already selected, and we can save it. That's all. When it comes to creating a new custom fields on the object, just for the objects we just now created, we have to go for object manager. For that, fields and relationships, new, data type as URL, job posting URL. I have to copy this. Okay, we'll go for object manager. I'll search for job posting, this one, fields and relationships, new, the data type is URL. This URL, like job posting site, when you want to create a new record, you will have all these fields. This is a URL field where you can attach a URL. That's it. URL is a data type where you can attach URL or put URL in that particular space. Next, next, and save. Next, next, and we'll try for save and new, because we have some another particular custom fields to be created. We have to create a pick list custom field. with on label as status and values as active and inactive. Okay, we'll try that. We have pick list. Pick list is something where you have a drop down menu and you have to select any one of those. Like you have filled some forms where you will have to select your state, where you can select only one particular state. That is called a pick list, where if you select if you click on that, a drop down menu will appear and you have to select any one of those. That is called as pick list. We'll click on next. We'll paste the name, status. We have to enter the values in separate line. I'll just copy it, active and inactive, copy. I'll just paste it here, and I think so rest everything will be same as default. Next, save and new, because we have another custom field, another two custom fields to be created. We have to create a checkbox data type custom field with the label as technical site. Okay, we'll go to checkbox data type. Next, we'll put the label. Default would be checked or either not checked, because they have not mentioned. We'll leave it unchecked as default. Next, save and new. We have a last custom field to be created, text area as description. Okay, text area as description, text area data type is here, and we'll go for next. We have to paste it here, description. Okay, then next and save. I'll show you what are these fields we just created just in a while. We have saved that one. Okay, I'll go to my setup. I'll click here. I'll go for sales so that I can show you whatever we have created here. Where will it be used? Go for more. Okay, you don't have a job posting. I'll just refresh so that the job posting site object will be visible here. It's not yet visible, so we work on server, so it just takes a bit or a while to show here. Add more items, all. I'll just search for job here. Yeah, job posting sites. I'll just add this, add one at navigation and save. You can see job posting sites here. If I create a new, you will find whatever the fields we created in the setup page, you will find it here, like site name, job posting URL. Like we created a URL data type field. Here you have to paste URL. The pick list, where you can select active and inactive, technical site checked or unchecked, description, where we have the final field which we created was description, where you can give a description for creating a particular record. That's it, and we'll check whether we are right or wrong. And we have completed the second subunit successfully. We'll go to our third subunit. To our third subunit, create a custom junction object for job posting. Like what is junction object? Junction object is an object which acts as a bridge between the two objects, or which acts as a parent between the two objects. It will have the two master detailed relationship between the two objects. Like you can read here, a junction object is a custom object with two master detailed relationships, and it is a key for making many to many relationships. That's the definition of a junction object. I just cross this and start fresh, because this avoids errors at the end. So I'll just do this every time. It's best practice actually. You have to do that every time, because if you do any challenges here, and if you go for next subunit, and if you start your challenge there and again come and check challenge, it won't be reflected. You have to do this refresh, so that panics the people a lot. So starting fresh is more preferable. So go to home. We'll just increase the size. I'll go to setup. I'll just again decrease the size to normal 100, and object manager. I have to create a new object labeled job posting. I'll just copy it. Job postings as the plural form. Job posting number and auto number is the data type. Okay. Create. I'll just paste the label. Job posting sites is the plural form. And job posting name, no, job posting name is not required, job posting number is required because we want the auto number as the data type. I'll paste this auto number job post 0000 is the registration or the auto number type. Like everybody has a pattern, like your registration number, your friend's registration number will have some common thing. Like the same thing, you have some formats to set or display formats to set the auto number, and that's it. Leave everything as is and save. Okay, everything else should be as default settings and we have to save. And inside job posting object which we just now created, we have to create a master detail relationship with the object position, with the object position. So I'll just copy it. I'll just go to fields and relationship, new master detail relationship, next, related to position, and yeah, go for next. The name also should be position, and yeah, we'll see any other changes. No, next, 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 and save and new. Next, 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 save and new. Okay, we have to create another master detail relationship on job posting site. So I'll just copy the name, master detail relationship, and the next for related to job posting site. Job posting site, next. The API name or the field name will automatically populate. Next, next, and save. Okay, next, 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 and save. Next, modify page layouts. Like as I told you, modifying page layouts means like if you go for job posting and if you go for new, this whatever the information you see here is in the this is called as a page layout. This complete new job posting form which you can see is called as a page layout. We can edit the page layouts. That's what we are doing here now. Go to setup, go for object manager, go for position object, and go for page layouts. Click on edit button. Next to page layouts, click on edit button. Okay, we'll do stepwise. We'll go for object manager. We have to do it for position object, page layouts. We have to go for edit, and we have to select the branch. Where is the branch? Okay, we'll study the fourth step. Scroll down to the job postings related list, click on branch on the header to edit it. From the available fields section, select the job posting site status and job posting title technical site. Okay, we'll do that. I have to go for job posting and click on branch. Okay, select job posting status and job posting technical site and add. From selected fields, remove job posting number. Job posting number we have to remove, and okay, and save. Okay, and save. That's it for page layouts. And we have to edit another object's page layout. Object manager, job posting site, page layout. Okay, we'll do that. Object manager, job posting site, page layout, edit, job posting. We have to click on branch, and here we'll see what things we have to add: position status and position title. Okay, position status and position title. Position status and position title we have to add. We have to remove the position posting and position number. Okay, we have removed, and okay, and save. Okay, and save. That's it. We have edited the page layout. Now let's test what you have created by creating a job posting record. Click on app launcher, then click recruiting, click the positions, Okay, we'll go for app launcher, we'll go for recruiting. We should go for, yeah, this is the tabs: home, candidates, job applications are the tabs which I was explaining previously. We have to go for position tabs and we have to create a new position. This is just for example. In real cases you'll have some other informations. You have to go for positions, you have to go for new, creating a new record. Title will be super sales rep, department will be sales, approved US, department will be sales, US status, I mean approval status is approved. What are the next? Job description. I have to copy paste the job description, copy paste. Don't worry about this, this is just a raw sample data which is given to test whatever we have done is correct or wrong. That's it. We have to save, and that's it. And they have given to add more items, like we have to add job posting sites. Okay, like as I told you in the previous, we have to add a job posting site. This one, add more items, all job posting sites plus add and save. It will be visible here. We have to go for job posting sites and create a new record for even that. Site name is this lost jobs. Just give the site name here. Site name, site URL. This is nothing but all the fields which we have created in the last 2-3 parts of the video. Status is active, that is getting reflected here. That's it. Whatever we created in the setup or the backend part of the application page, this is called as the application page and setup is called as the backend page. The backend page, whatever the changes or the settings we did in the backend page is getting reflected in the front page. That's it. We have to save and verify. Okay, we will save and we will verify whether we are right or wrong. We have completed another subunit, that is I guess it's the third subunit. We'll go to the next subunit now. Coming to our fourth subunit, we have created a self relationship with a position object. So we'll just do that. We'll just cross out these which we have done in the last part. We'll start fresh because we should avoid the number of errors. But actually, if you get frankly speaking, if you get more number of errors, you are actually a good Salesforce administrator or a developer because you just learn from errors. So yeah, so I'll just increase the size so that I can go to the setup menu. I'll just decrease the size back to 100. And yeah, object manager, position, we have to go for object manager. Again, click on position. We have to create the self relationship for the position. What is the self relationship? Yeah, I didn't explain you about self relationship. Self relationship is a type of relationship which an object can link with itself. You can see here, you can link an object with another standard or custom object, or you can link an object with itself. That is called as self relationship. That's it, nothing much. So we should go for object manager. We should go to, no, create more. It's not create, we have to create a lookup field relationship with the position. We'll go for position, fields and relationships, new, lookup relationship related to position itself. So that this is called a self relationship. Relating to itself or linking to itself is called as the self relationship. Field label is related position. You have to remove this and paste. You have to remove this again because we have to give the same API name as we have given for the label or the field name. Yeah, and N is missing, so we have to just check all whether we have done it right or wrong. Next, and change the related list label to related positions. Okay, next, we have to change this to related positions. So I'll just copy and paste. We'll go for save and done. We'll go for next step, add lookup filters. We have to go and add some lookup filters, so we'll do that. We have to just click the drop down menu and edit the related position field which we just now created. We have to search for related position, edit, add lookup filters. Here we have to add the lookup filter. We'll just see what is a filter. Click on search, then select related position from the first column and department from the second column. Show filter settings, related position. What they had given to search us is a related position in the first column and department in the second column. Related position, just a second guys. Show filter settings, click related position from the first column and department in the second column. Okay, related position in the first column and where's department? Yeah, department in the second column. Insert equals, for value and field select field, equals for value and field select field, and current position, current record position, then position department, current record position, current record position, record as position, and department. Insert position department is inserted here, and that's it, creating lookup filter. Now fill the next row of the filter criteria. Okay, we have to create another filter, position and record ID, position, record ID, insert, not equals to, field, related position, record ID. Okay, related position, record ID, insert. To ensure required is selected, enter the description in the error box. Okay, we have to make this field as required. Just paste it. This is the error message. If while creating a form, while submitting the form, if you have not given or if you have not entered the required field, you will receive some error message. That is the error message which we are giving here. And then save. That's it. We can now come and verify. And we have completed our fourth subunit successfully. We are going to our last subunit of the app. So we'll go in a last and final step of creating a recruiting app. We have to create some custom recruiting fields. So create custom fields. We have to go for an object manager where we have to select the object review, and we have to do some, or you have to insert some fields there. We'll start a new fresh launch page or a playground page. Object man. Okay, I'll just increase the size for my setup first so that I can go to my setup, reduce my size of fonts, come back, object manager, search for review, click on that, fields and relationships, new, pick list as the data type, core competencies, you have to select that, go to pick list, next, paste core competencies, and we have to select these values which should be entered in the next line. Enter values in new separated line, and we have to enter the help text. Here is help text which gives suggestions or gives the help like what this particular field is for. And next and save. Follow 3 through 7s and create 2 more pick list with leadership skills and experience skills. Okay, we have to create a pick list field for leadership skills and experience as well. New pick list. Next, paste leadership skills, enter values in new line, 1, enter 2, enter 3, enter 4, enter and 5. We have to put a help text here again. Control C, Control V. Next, save and new. I have to create for pick list as pick list experience as well. We'll copy. Data type will be pick list. Next, paste as experience, enter values in new line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is for reviews, and we have to give a help text here as well. Copy, paste, and next and save. Next and save. Create some custom text fields. Text area, core competencies comment. Text area, new. Text area, next, comment, next, save and new. Okay, next, save and new. I have to create the same for leadership skills comments and experience comments by following the same steps. Okay, copy, text area, next, paste the leadership skill comments, and next, save and new. We'll copy the experience comments label, copy, text area, next, paste, next, save and new. Create a checkbox field for allowing interviewers to recommend candidates for hire. Okay, I have to copy this. We have to create a checkbox field now. Checkbox field. Next, I'll paste it and I'll check whether any other information is given. Yeah, it is given. Help text is given. You have to copy it, paste in the help text box. Next, save and new. Text area for reason recommended, for what reason the particular person is recommending that person is required, so we have to create that. Same as text area. Next, paste reason recommended. Next, save and new. We have to create a lookup relationship with the interviewer. Okay, lookup relationship as a data type, interviewer as a name related to the interviewer object, lookup relationship. Next, interviewer. Next, save and new. We have to create a master detail relationship with the job application with the related object job application itself. So we'll create a master detail relationship. This is the final field which is to be created, for which object we have to create job application, right? Yeah, job application. Name also should be as job application. Next, and save. That's it. Let's check whether we are right or wrong. And you successfully complete your app creation. The app was predefinedly created by Salesforce itself during the installation of the package called I'll just show you the package just a second. We had installed a package called Dreamhouse. During the installation of that package, the recruiting app was also installed. We can customizely create our own app pages app also, which I'll show you in the further challenges. So for this video we are done. So if you like our content, please shed love, hit that like button, comment and share our video and subscribe to our channel so that it motivates me to put more such videos. Thank you.